Hi, I'm Chanel from Breeze Coaching Academy, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to give good phone. So, how do you give good phone? And yeah, I know it's not that kind of phone. It's in a professional way, but today I wanted to create a little bit of fun and have fun along with you guys. And let's get into some tips today. When you're calling people, firstly, set an intention of what you're wanting to achieve out of the call. What is the purpose of the call? Who are you calling and why are you calling? Because without any intention of what you're doing and you're just ringing people willy-nilly, it's just not the way to do business. So if you're going to be doing a whole bunch of prospecting calls, like for example your cold calls, get your energy high, get yourself into a really good vibe and get the momentum going before you actually get on that phone. I suggest listening to some really upbeat music or watching your favorite comedian or something that's going to set you on fire and get you really revved up before making calls. Because when you're on the phone to someone, it is so important that your voice reflects what we're going to be talking about. And I'm going to get into that right now. So let's set the tone. Here's some examples of what people are usually like.
Hello?
Oh, hi mate. Yeah, just wondering if you thought about listing your house? Who is it? Oh, yeah, mate, sorry about that. It's Sally from XYZ Real Estate. Yeah. I was told that you're thinking of listing your house. Oh, right, not right now, you think? Oh, yeah, okay, no worries, mate. Talk to you later. Bye. That is a negative. For example, they haven't introduced who they are, what their call is about. They're just trying to list their home. They haven't done an introduction, and it's just not the right way. When you're talking to people, you're wanting to be professional. The next call that I often see is this one. I call it the meek and mild.
Hello?
Oh, hi. My name's Sally, and I'm from XYZ Real Estate. I was just wondering, I saw a for sale sign outside your property. Yeah, and I was just wondering if you were thinking of selling and if I could come around and see you this afternoon. Oh, you're not looking at selling with an agent. Okay. Good luck with the sale of the home. Thanks. Bye. Sally has not a clue in terms of how to hook someone in to get them engaged and why she should be coming to see them. Again, super high pitched. There's no confidence because with a private sale, it's a very different kettle of fish. Okay, the next one is what I call the radio announcer.
Hello?
Oh, hi, yes, it's Sally from XYZ Real Estate. How are you today? Oh, yeah, good, thanks. Yeah. I just noticed that you'd listed your house for sale. And yeah, I'd really like to come around and appraise it. Oh, yeah. Well, no, okay. Oh, I see you have another agent in already. Right, okay, well, give me a call back if you change your mind and would like that appraisal. Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, cheerio. The radio announcer. You can again see that they're talking at a very fast pace, like a radio announcer. They suddenly go into radio announcer mode. And it's not the type of mode that people respond to. People respond to calm, collected, and professional. So let's try this again. I want you to see how I would call someone with a tone of voice that reflects professional but happy. And before I make the call, I always smile before I dial. As cheesy as that sounds, and I put energy into my voice. So here's what I would say if I'm ringing a past appraisal. For example, you've met them, you've been through the home, and this is something that I would do as a follow-up call.
Hello?
Hi, is John there please? Hi John, it's Chanel from XYZ Real Estate. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Look, I was driving past your house the other day and I noticed the flowers are looking gorgeous and your renovations are looking fantastic. Yeah, I can see that. It looks so good. So it's been about, 6 months since I popped through? Yeah, and how are the renovations going? Fantastic. Look, it'd be great to see you guys again and see what progress you've done. When are you looking at selling? Fantastic. Well, can I pop through and see you at 4 p.m. today, or I've got 11 a.m. tomorrow? Excellent. Yeah, no, it'll be really great to see you and Mary again. Yeah, looking forward to it. Talk soon. Bye. Okay, you can see my last call was to a past appraisal. It was someone that I had already met, I already had a relationship with. Now, this isn't a scripts and dialogues video. I will do another video on scripts and dialogues, but what I want you to take away from the 4 calls that you've just heard, the 3 previous calls where I'm impersonating Sally and all different personality types, is just simply a playful way to show you the difference in tonality and how I'm presenting to different people in different scenarios. So we've had a private sale, we've had basically someone saying a referral that the property's for sale, and then someone seen an agent sign outside and thought that they would give them a call. Now with my past appraisal, the difference is that my tonality is a lot friendlier, I'm a lot more confident on the phone, I'm relaxed, I'm talking to them as if they're a person, which of course they are, but I'm not going into radio announcer mode or I'm Miss Megan Mild. I am simply going into my own natural way of talking to someone that is approachable. Okay, so hopefully you can see the difference between the 4 calls, and to take away not the specifics of what I'm saying, but to look at the tone and how I am delivering the actual words to the customer. And lastly, smile before you dial. I know I mentioned it before and it is super cheesy, but smiling actually brings in happiness into your voice. And as strange as it may feel, it comes across in your voice. You're wanting to appear approachable over the phone. People may not be able to see your face, but they can hear your energy through the phone. So raise that energy before you're making your cold calls or your prospecting calls, your follow-up calls, open home callbacks. Follow up with happiness in your voice, because your voice reflects what you're feeling. So change your state through your breath, smile before you dial, and that's all I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and a little bit of comedy to go with it. Please comment below on your favorite tip and what you've learned and what your style is. I'd love to know if any of those styles work for you and you're already doing them, and how you can take what I've taught you today and put it into your own business. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe below, hit the bell notification if you want to receive all of my videos, and if you've enjoyed this content, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much.